Hey, do you love weekends as much as I do? Think about it. Saturday and Sunday are like two best friends who come to rescue you after a long, boring week of work or school. On weekdays, we're like, wake up early, work hard, study hard. But on weekends, it's like, sleep late? Yes, please. Pizza for lunch? Why not? So today, we're going to learn how to talk about your weekend in English. This is super useful because people always ask, how was your weekend? What did you do last weekend? And if your answer is always just, good, nice, okay, then don't worry. After today, you'll be able to give fun, natural answers. We'll join our friends John and Anna to see what they did last weekend. You'll hear short dialogues, learn new words, and practice speaking out loud with me. Are you ready? Let's go. All right, let's start with Saturday. Some people love to eat with family, others go out with friends, and some just sleep until noon. Let's see what John and Anna did on Saturday.
On Saturday, I had a big family lunch. We made lasagna, and my mom brought her famous chocolate cake. Everyone was laughing and telling stories. It was wonderful.
Wow, that sounds delicious, John. My Saturday was different. I went on a picnic in the park with friends. We brought sandwiches, played frisbee, and enjoyed the sunshine. It was so much fun.
Nice. Two very common weekend activities here. Had a family lunch, went on a picnic. Remember, we use past tense. Not I have lunch, but I had lunch. Not I go on a picnic, but I went on a picnic. Try saying it with me. I had a family lunch. I went on a picnic. Good job. Now let's move to the evening. After a busy afternoon, what about the evening? Some people love parties, others prefer a quiet night at home. Let's check what John and Anna did.
In the evening, I joined a game night at my friend's house. We played board games and video games. I almost won, but I lost at the last minute. Everyone laughed at me.
Haha, unlucky, John. My evening was different. I stayed home with my kids. We watched a movie, made popcorn, and cuddled on the sofa. It was so cozy.
Great examples. Here are the key phrases. Joined a game night, played board games, watched a movie, made popcorn. And again, all in past tense. Joined, played, watched, made. Quick tip. Instead of just saying, I watched a movie, you can add details. I watched a funny movie with my kids. More details. More natural English. Now say it with me. I joined a game night. I watched a movie. Perfect. You're doing great. Good morning, Sunday. Some people like to start the day calm and peaceful. Others try something new and exciting. Let's see what John and Anna did on Sunday morning.
On Sunday morning, I went to church. It's part of my weekly routine. I prayed, sang with the choir, and felt very thankful for my family and my life.
That's beautiful, Anna. My Sunday morning was a little different. I tried cooking a new recipe for the first time. It was supposed to be pasta, but honestly, it didn't look like the photo. Still, it tasted good.
Haha, John, you're brave. Trying new recipes is always an adventure.
Awesome. Two different but very common weekend activities. Went to church, tried cooking a new recipe. Notice again the past tense. Went, tried. You can also use variations, attended church, went to church, made dinner, cooked something. Now let's practice. Say, I went to church. I tried cooking a new recipe. Nice, you're sounding more natural already. All right, Sunday afternoon. Some people stay at home, some go out. Let's see what John and Anna did.
In the afternoon, I took my kids to the park. They rode their bikes, we had some ice cream, and just enjoyed the sunny weather. It was simple but really nice.
Sounds great, Anna. I stayed home with my neighbors and watched a football match on TV. We had snacks, shouted a lot, and celebrated like crazy when our team scored. It felt like being in the stadium.
Haha, I can imagine. That's a classic Sunday activity.
Perfect. More useful phrases. Took my kids to the park, rode their bikes, watched a football match, had snacks. Again, all in past tense. Took, rode, watched, had. Quick note, in English, we usually say watch a football match, not see a football match. Example, I watched a football match with my friends. Now your turn. Say it out loud. I took my kids to the park. I watched a football match. Great, you're really practicing. Okay, my friends, let's do a quick review. What did we learn today about weekends? We saw so many weekend activities. Had a family lunch, went on a picnic, joined a game night, watched a movie, went to church, tried cooking a new recipe, took kids to the park, watched a football match. And the key questions to start a conversation. How was your weekend? What did you do last weekend? Did you do anything fun? Remember, always use the past tense when you talk about your weekend. Now it's your turn. Practice by telling us, what did you do last weekend? Write it in the comments below. Don't worry if you make mistakes, that's how you learn. And hey, if this lesson helped you, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll never miss our fun English lessons. Alright, that's all for today. Thanks for learning with me, John and Anna. I'm Bob, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, enjoy your weekend, even if it's just sleeping like a lazy panda. Bye!